Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing, comparing two titans of the trade, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. It's a battle of the 3D printers. On the left, we have FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, and on the right, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk price. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M comes in at a wallet-screaming $479. Meanwhile, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is a more budget-friendly $219. That's enough of a difference to buy yourself a whole lot of filament or a small island. Okay, maybe just the filament. So, if your wallet's tighter than your jeans after Thanksgiving dinner, Creality might be your new best friend. Next, let's chat about setup and ease of use. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M boasts one-click automatic printing. It's like the Staples Easy button for 3D printing. On the other hand, Creality Ender 3v3 SE says, "Hold my filament," and gets you started in just 3 steps. It's almost as easy as making a cup of ramen. Both promise auto-leveling, but Creality throws in a CR touch sensor and a strain sensor for good measure. It's like having a butler for your 3D printer. Reviewers appreciate FLASHFORGE's user-friendly setup, while Creality's straightforward assembly wins praise. So if you're looking for simplicity, both are great choices. Now, let's race these bad boys. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M boasts a speedy 600 millimeters per second travel speed. That's faster than my Wi-Fi when I'm trying to Netflix and chill. Creality Ender 3v3 SE, though, isn't slow either, zipping along at 250 millimeters per second. It's like comparing a Ferrari to a really fast bicycle. Both offer great print quality, but FLASHFORGE's dual fan nozzles and multiple nozzle sizes might just give it the edge. Reviewers commend FLASHFORGE for its speed and accuracy, while Creality is celebrated for its stable performance. So if speed is your need, FLASHFORGE takes the lead. Let's talk features. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is like the James Bond of 3D printers. Quick nozzle changes, high-flow nozzles, dual-sided PEI platform, and it even warms up to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds. You could cook an egg on this thing. Creality Ender 3v3 SE, though, is no slouch. It has a sprite extruder, a 32-bit silent mainboard, and auto-filament loading and unloading. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers, compact but packed with tools. Reviewers love FLASHFORGE's versatility and Creality's functionality, making both solid contenders in this category. Finally, let's talk about customer support. FLASHFORGE offers a 1-month free return and exchange, lifetime technical support, and a 1-year warranty. They've got your back like a chiropractor. Creality, on the other hand, gives you a 12-month after-sales service and a 3-month service for wear parts. Not bad, but they also give you a detailed troubleshooting guide, which is like having a cheat sheet for your 3D printer. Reviewers highlight FLASHFORGE's supportive customer service and Creality's helpful resources. So if you value support, both have you covered. Overall, reviewers find the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M to be user-friendly, fast, and versatile, though some note issues with noise and the slicing software. Creality Ender 3v3 SE is praised for its affordability, ease of setup, and stable performance, though a few users have faced initial setup challenges. Both printers are well regarded, with FLASHFORGE standing out for speed and Creality for value. So there you have it, folks. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M and Creality Ender 3v3SE. Two amazing 3D printers, each with their own strengths and quirks. If you're rolling in dough, FLASHFORGE might be your jam. But if you want bang for your buck, Creality is a solid choice. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.